What vehicle is this again?
Honda Elantra.
Okay. Very nice. Have you dialed this in at all? Just tweaking it?
Honestly, I just threw it in.
Just threw it in? Okay. Very nice, man. And this is the lithium?
Yeah, 80 amp hour.
80 amp. Wow, that's crazy. 80 amp hour in that little spot.
Yeah.
Wow. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Oh yeah, man. What's up, man? Can you tell me your name real quick and what's in here, Brandon?
Brandon Smith. I got 2 ZB5 12s and 2 3.5s.
Oh, nice. Are they strapped or are they separate?
Separate.
Okay. So,
0.35 apiece.
okay, so these are 0.7 coils?
Oh, yes.
Okay. Nice. What subwoofer?
ZB5.
CV5, that's what you said, okay. Man, did you build this box?
I did.
Nice. Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm JacobViral. Be sure to hit the like button if you haven't already. If you're enjoying the video, got a great subflex video today and some Elantra subwoofer flex destruction on the back of his hatch with the flex. Pretty crazy how loud two 12-inch subwoofers can get in an efficient box build. And of course, he did sacrifice his back seats, it looked like, but it's a mean build for two 12-inch subs. The amplifiers are definitely pushing these subs to almost their limit you're going to see during this demo. I like the actual amplifier layout where he has his 4-channel underneath his port and then his other 2 monoblock sub-amps in the back. And I don't know the exact size. I'm pretty sure I'm going to assume this is an 8-inch air port, subs up, port back. Usually 90% of the time most optimal for hatchback systems like this, and a powerful lithium bank to support this. So be sure to comment what you like about his system. I definitely like the whole layout of the box, the efficient amount of cubic space, and is right at the under the window line for SPL. So probably doing at least a 152 dB on music during this demo. You're going to see the glass as well in the front. You're going to see really flexed a lot, especially at the windshield. So a total of 7,000 watts on two 12-inch subs. We're getting to a demo now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I do daily videos on JacobViral every day of car audio, and enjoy the demo.
Alright. You know, if I say something, I mean popping cones and attracting hoes. This is DJ Rusticles. Yeah. If I ever said I'm never scared.
Wow. Man, that's pretty good for a hatchback with just these, just two subs.
Man, I was pretty impressed with
Yeah,
myself.
you're doing good, man. Really nice job. Can I see the back of the box too? Looks like the box doesn't even move either.
Yeah,
You have it. Very nice. What vehicle is this again?
Honda Elantra.
Okay. Very nice. Have you dialed this in at all? Just tweaking it?
You just threw it in.
Just threw it in? Okay. Very nice, man. And this is the lithium?
Yeah, 80 amp hour.
80 amp. Wow, that's crazy. 80 amp hour in that little spot.
Yeah.
Wow. All right, thank you very much, Brandon. Appreciate the demo, man. Thanks for showing me. You're welcome.